Genesis chapter 15. The desert night was silent. The stars hung like diamonds over the vast emptiness. Abram sat alone, his heart weighed down by the one promise yet unfulfilled. And then the voice of the Almighty pierced the darkness. Do not be afraid, Abram. I am your shield, your very great reward. Abram lifted his eyes, his voice trembling. Lord God, what reward is there for me? I have no child, no heir to carry my name. A servant will inherit all I have. The Lord's reply was steady, certain. No, Abram, not a servant. One from your own body will be your heir. The voice beckoned him outside. Abram stepped into the cool night air. Look up, the Lord said. Count the stars, if you can. So shall your descendants be. And in that moment, Abram believed, and God counted his faith as righteousness. The Lord spoke again. I am the one who brought you from Ur to give you this land. Still Abram whispered, Lord God, how will I know? The Almighty answered, Bring me a heifer, a goat, a ram, a turtle dove, and a pigeon. Abram obeyed, laying the pieces before the Lord. The sun sank low, shadows stretched long. Then a thick, dreadful darkness fell over him. In the silence, God spoke, Know this, Abram, your descendants will be strangers in a land not their own. They will be enslaved 400 years, but I will judge the nation that oppresses them. They will come out with great possessions. You will go to your fathers in peace at a good old age. Night deepened, and suddenly a smoking fire pot and a blazing torch appeared, moving between the pieces of the sacrifice. On that night, the Lord made his covenant with Abram. To your descendants I give this land, from the river of Egypt to the great river Euphrates. The promise was sealed, not by the hand of man, but by the fire of God himself.